Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your device supports Face ID and you've installed the latest iOS. This reduces software conflicts. Once done, remove any case or screen protector and wipe the true depth camera so nothing blocks sensors. Then go to Settings, choose Face ID and passcode, and enter your passcode. Tap Setup Face ID to start the guided enrollment flow. You're now in the setup sequence. Follow the on-screen prompts to start capturing your face. You'll see a circular frame. Position your face within it and hold the device about 10 to 20 inches away. Follow the instructions to move your head slowly in a full circle. This maps different angles and fills gaps in the model. After the first scan completes, the system asks for a second scan. Repeat the motion to capture improved depth data. Once both passes finish, enable attention-aware features and add an alternate appearance if you frequently wear glasses. You finish by selecting which features use Face ID. iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, app logins, and autofill, so the system applies recognition where you want it. Test by locking and unlocking the phone and opening a Face ID protected app. Make sure performance is consistent at typical distances and lighting. If recognition misses often, delete the enrollment and tap Reset Face ID, then redo the setup in even lighting and without obstructions. That reset is the one reliable fix when enrollment fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.